How to convert photo to PDF on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can convert photo to PDF on Android. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, you need to install Microsoft 365 in your Android device. So for that, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar at the top, search for Microsoft 365. Once you see Microsoft 365 Office, you have to install that. Once the installation is complete, now you can open up the application and it's gonna ask you to log in with your Microsoft account. So log in to your Microsoft account. Once you have logged in, and if you see this interface, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on apps icon. Here at the first section that says recommended for you, tap on PDF tools and then tap on open. So once you're here, there you will see pictures to PDF option. So again from there, tap on open. Now you have to choose a picture from your gallery that you want to convert it into PDF. For example, I have this picture right here. So you must select all your picture. Once done, tap in the arrow icon at the bottom right corner with a blue color. Now you can review and edit here. If you want to rotate it, you can do that, or if you want to crop, or if you want to add another picture, you can do that as well. Once done, tap on review and edit. If you want to edit this further, there are some tools available to you. You can use that. Once you're done, tap on finish. Now you can save your PDF file in your phone. So to that, tap on save to phone. So with that, your PDF has been saved to your phone, and that's how you can convert a photo to PDF on your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.